With ECD, your entire delivery experience will change dramatically. ECD is a new age last mile delivery solution that utilizes smart locker technology to ensure maximum simplicity, safety, convenience, and cost effectiveness. ECD is a great solution if you want to receive items purchased online. You can choose ECD as a delivery option on our partner retailer or e-commerce website and select the most convenient location for you to receive. Once the item arrived, you will receive SMS or email. And then visit ECD Locker you chose to collect items. It is also available for receiving parcels from your friends, family, and colleagues. Since ECD is an end-to-end delivery solution, you can also send the parcels or store the luggage as well. For sending, select both ECD location for drop-off and final destination. Once you drop off the parcel, we'll collect the parcel and deliver to the final destination. Or if you want to use ECD for temporary storage, visit ECD after you choose preferred location and drop off the luggage. You can store up to 24 hours. So convenient. ECD provides you simple, safe, convenient, and cost-effective delivery experience. Enjoy your better life with ECD.